Alright guys, here's the truck. Like I said, I've got the rack in place. It's all pretty much been a custom job. It's a rack. The steering rack is for a 2005 Dodge Ram 2500. And I've got Chevrolet 1-ton spindles and hubs and control arms that are custom built by Michigan Metal Works. But basically, like I said, I've got the rack in place right now. I had to get tie rod ends machined to screw up onto the rack and go accept my tie rod end because they're both two different thread patterns. But like I said, basically I'm wanting to run this big airbag here, but I'm not sure I'm going to have the room to accomplish that. But here's the hole I cut in the side of my frame. And like I said, it will be getting a sleeve, and the outside of the frame is going to get boxed. Like I said, this is all just mock-up right now. Here's the rack in place. Like I said, we had to make mounts and everything to tie it into the cross member. And here's the other side. Like I said, I had to cut it all the way through, and it's going to get a sleeve put on it and boxed on the outside of the chassis, and but it's going to be left open to be able to drop the rack out of this thing if it ever needs to be replaced or worked on in any sort of way. Sorry for that. But yeah, here it is, guys. Like I said, I'm going to keep working at it, and hopefully this week I will have my steering hooked up to my column. I've got to make a couple things for that. I believe I've got the U-joints and stuff that I need to get everything hooked up. I had to get a piece machined on the top part up there too to go to the column. But I'm gonna have to make a floor mount of some sorts to hold the column in place where it comes through the firewall. But like I said, I just want to give you guys an update. Let me know if you like what's going on here. Like, comment, share my video. Let me know what you think of this project here. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty cool if I can get everything done the way I've got it pictured in my head. And basically, where the truck's sitting right now, this is going to be the ride height to the truck. Yeah, there it is, guys. Just let me know what you think. Like, comment, and share, and I'll keep making videos and keep giving you guys updates. And like I said, I'm going to keep trying to improve on my video quality and video editing. So just bear with me on that. Appreciate you guys looking at my video and checking my truck out. Stay tuned for more action on this build here. Thank you. Have a good day.